Hi, welcome to NacFun Tutorials. In this video, we will learn about sports activities under the Perform Activities section. This tutorial covers everything you need to know about all the sports activities available on NacFun. Let's get started. From your My Zone screen, tap on the Perform Activities button and then select the Sports tab. The Sports section is divided into 4 sub-tabs: Challenges, Freestyle, Battlezone PE. Let's look at each one in detail. The Challenges tab contains sports-based video challenges that you can participate in. Each challenge card displays challenge month, challenge name, points, view, upload. Tap the View button to open the instruction screen. Here, you'll find the challenge name, an instruction video, written instructions, and the Upload Response button. To participate, tap the Upload button. This opens the Upload Response screen. Here, you can select a video from your device gallery. Choose your practice time from the drop-down menu. Tap Upload to submit your response. Next is the Freestyle tab. Here, you can upload a video of yourself performing any physical activity of your choice. Each grade has its own minimum video duration requirement, so make sure your video meets the required time before uploading. The Freestyle screen displays a sample freestyle video, monthly upload limit, current upload count, activity instructions, upload freestyle button. Tap the Upload Freestyle button to open the Upload Response screen. Simply select your video, choose your practice time, and tap Upload to submit your entry. Now let's look at Battlezone, one of the most exciting features on NacFun. If your freestyle video is selected for Battlezone, you become the Battle Ninja and immediately earn 10 points. Other students can then challenge your video by uploading their own responses. After reviewing all the entries, teachers select one challenger as the battle winner. Let's understand how the scoring works. As the Battle Ninja, you earn 10 points when your freestyle video is selected. You also receive 10 additional points for every student who accepts your challenge. For example, if 4 students challenge your video, you'll earn a total of 50 points. That's 10 points for becoming the Battle Ninja, plus 40 points for the 4 challengers. Each challenger earns 10 points when their response is approved by the teacher. Finally, the teacher selects one winner from all the challengers. The battle winner receives an additional 50 bonus points, making a total of 60 points. Battlezone is divided into 3 sub-tabs: Available Battles, My Battles, Battle Winners. Let's explore each one. Available Battles. This tab displays all the battles currently available for you to participate in. At the top, you'll see your monthly participation limit and the number of battles you can still join. Each battle card displays Battle Ninja's name, battle video, upload video button, number of challengers, points earned. Tap Upload Video to participate. This opens the Upload Response screen, where you can select your video, choose your practice time, and upload your response. Tapping the challenger's count opens the complete list of students who have participated in that battle. Next one is My Battles. The My Battles tab displays your Battlezone activity and statistics. At the top, you'll see your overall and monthly Battlezone statistics. Below that, there are 2 sections. I Am Challenger displays all the battles where you've challenged another student's Battle Ninja video. I Am Ninja displays all your freestyle videos that have been selected as Battlezone videos. The next one is the Battle Winners. The Battle Winners tab displays all the battles whose winners have been announced. At the top, you'll find a filter to browse winners from different categories. Each battle card displays Battle Ninja's name, battle video, number of challengers, points earned, battle winner's name. The final sports section is PE. This section contains video and image-based physical education activities. At the top, you'll find an activity filter to quickly browse different PE activities. Each activity card displays activity name, points, view, upload, save, entries. Tap the View button to open the instruction screen. Here, you'll find activity name, activity description, instruction video or image, written instructions, monthly participation limit, if applicable, save for later button, upload response button. To participate, tap Upload. The Upload Response screen displays monthly upload limits for the activity type and the activity, where applicable. Select File button to choose a photo or video from your device gallery. Practice time drop-down. Upload button. Tap the Save button to add the activity to your saved activities list, so you can complete it later. Finally, tap the Entries button to open the activities entry feed, where you can view all approved submissions for that activity. That concludes our overview of the sports activities section. We hope this tutorial helps you understand how each sports activity works and how you can participate. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next NacFun tutorial.